Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter C. To write uppercase C or big C, start at the top and go around to the bottom. Let's try that again. Go around to the bottom. That's the letter C. Now, why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase c or small c. Start in the middle and go around to the bottom. Let's try that again. Go around to the bottom. Excellent! Now you try. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter C. Next, let's see what words start with the letter C. C for cat. C for cow. C for cap. Say it again with me. Cat, cow, cap. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter D, subscribe to EllieFun.